Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi umsebenzi kade ufuna. It's been long. You've been sending applications in and out. Sekuyiminyaka. Sekuyisikhathi. Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ulindile. Ngiyakuzwa. Sidi isikhathi ufuna ungatholi. Ngiyayizwa that part. Sounds like the words of Jesus. Mayethola uPetro. uPetro uzothi, "Oh, but Master, we've toiled all night. Asibathola ofishi kade sidoba." Ngiyayizwa that part. uJesu uzophendula ukuthi, "Petro, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi you've labored all night." Ngiyayizwa that part. I'm not ignorant of that part. Ngiyayizwa that aspect. Sounds like you and I, we've labored all night. Sifuna, panting, searching. Ayikho into esingayenzile. Ayikho iminyaka engasazi. Seeking and searching. And it's been long. But ngiyayithanda impendulo kaJesu. Uzothi ngiyayizwa le ukuthi you've searched all night. But awuke udive ngaphansi. Ngiyabazi mina ofish engibabekile ngaphansi. Kukhona ofish ababekwe icommand yaJesu. The immediate time uPetro obeya no fish bezwa ukuthi asipositione, so that when uPetro search again ezosketcha. Akusizi indlebe zethu kuphela izwayo. Even the jobs, they are going to obey. And so, ask us launch nje into the deep. Ask us test nje. This voice, elisitshelayo ukuthi, launch into the deep. Search again. Dive deeper. Look deeper. There's a fish that I've planted underneath. Ask us launch nje into the deep. Ask us ibe yilima nje. And just launch into the deep. There's something in the deep. There is something right there at the bottom. Wezwa ukuthi oPetro bakhetha. Lithi iBhayibheli, they caught more than what they could carry. Ofishi basebe net breaking. Mina nawe, let's continue searching. Because our search in the end is gonna cause the nets to break. There are blessings that are awaiting us that are gonna be net breaking. But we will only be able to catch those blessings if we draw deeper. Asinga give up. Mina nawe, giving up is not an option. There's a command that has been dispatched. Ngeke nje ngivuke ekseni kulokuthiwa angeke launch into the deep. Ngiyayizwa. Yabona leyo ukuthi you've labored all night. Master Jesus hears that part. But he's expecting you to launch into the deep under his command. Makusho yena nje. What he launch into the deep. Oh, there's a deeper end to be launched unto. I-command ayizozwiwa ithina kuphela. The other doors that have been sealed for years, azoyizwa this command. There's a command that they have to obey. It's not us that they'll be obeying. It's not CVs that they'll be receiving. It's voices where Master Jesus is speaking on our behalf. Ngoba yonke into iyamlalela. Azavuka athi ngubani lo? Ngisho istorm siyamuzwa. So ucabanga ukuthi uzohlula ezinye izinto ukuthi zimuzwe. There is a voice that has spoken. And tina siyalazi izwi lakhe. And so if he commands us to launch into the deep, I will do just that. I will launch into the deep even if it's not promising. Because we understand that we had been laboring all night. But because he said we must launch in there, asizolalela, we'll take heed to only his voice. Make sure yena. Ngeke sithele ehlazweni. We will launch. We will send those applications even if it doesn't make sense. We will send them until the fish obeys. Our part will be done. The only parts that will be remaining is the part from the other end to obey. Force doors to open by your obedience. So launch into the deep. Wayeke ukusearcha. oPetro babelindiwe. They were merchandisers. Babelindile ukuthi nana bakhethe so that bayodayisa. Abathengi belindile. There's so much that is awaiting us. And so we're gonna launch, we're gonna dive. Even seskodola. These boats won't be able to carry our blessings simply because of obedience. Mina nawe we will launch into the deep. The deep are waiting for us. And in the deep, there are bigger blessings.